Hey there, health enthusiasts! Ever wondered how Japanese women manage to stay so slim and healthy? Today I'm diving into one of their best-kept secrets, turmeric. Yes, that golden spice sitting in your pantry is a powerful ally for staying fit. Let's start with a bit of history. Turmeric has been a staple in Japanese culture for centuries, known as yukon in Japanese. But it's not just any turmeric, it's the Okinawan variety that's particularly revered. The Okinawans, who are famous for their longevity and low rates of chronic diseases, consume this spice regularly. Intrigued? Well, you should be. Now, what makes turmeric so special? It's all about curcumin, the active compound in turmeric. Curcumin is a powerhouse when it comes to fighting inflammation and boosting metabolism. Studies have shown that it can help reduce body fat and prevent weight gain. Imagine that, a spice that helps you stay slim. But how do Japanese women incorporate turmeric into their daily routine? It's surprisingly simple. One popular method is turmeric tea, or yukon cha. Just boil some water, add a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a dash of black pepper to enhance absorption, and a squeeze of lemon for flavor. Sip on this golden elixir once a day, and you're good to go. Another favorite is adding turmeric to meals. Think miso soup, stir-fries, or even rice dishes. The mild, earthy flavor of turmeric blends seamlessly with various dishes, making it easy to incorporate into your diet. And here's a bonus tip. Turmeric pairs wonderfully with ginger. Many Japanese women combine these two in their cooking, doubling the health benefits. Ginger aids digestion and further boosts metabolism, making this combo a dynamic duo for weight management. Of course, it's not just about turmeric alone. It's part of a balanced lifestyle that includes fresh, whole foods, regular physical activity, and mindfulness practices like yoga or meditation. The Japanese approach to health is holistic, and turmeric is just one piece of the puzzle. So, next time you're looking for a natural way to stay slim, why not take a page from the Japanese playbook? Embrace the magic of turmeric and see the benefits for yourself. Your body will thank you. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health tips and secrets from around the world. Stay healthy and see you next time.